Good morning, everyone. Today we will read A Rainy Day. It was a rainy day. The children could not go out to play. So Lucy, Zeny, and Perla stayed in the house. "Let us out paper fruits for our store," said Lucy. So the girls got their papers, scissors, and crayons. Lucy cut out 5 apples. She colored them red. Zeny cut out 6 mangoes. She colored them yellow. Perla cut out 4 guavas. She colored them green. Then they counted their paper fruits. "Now we have many pretty paper fruits for our store," said Perla. Question number 1. What kind of a day was it? A. Sunny. B. Rainy. C. Bright. Question number 2. How many girls are in our story? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. Question number 3. Where did the girls stay? A. In school. B. In the yard. C. In the house. Question number 4. What did Lucy cut out? A. 5 apples. B. 6 mangoes. C. 4 guavas. Question number 5. What color were the apples? A. Green. B. Yellow. C. Red. Question number 6. What did Zeny cut out? A. 5 apples. B. 6 mangoes. C. 4 guavas. Question number 7. What color was the mangoes? A. Green. B. Yellow. C. Red. Question number 8. Who cut out the 4 guavas? A. Lucy. B. Zeny. C. Perla. Question number 9. How many paper fruits they have in all? A. 10. B. 12. C. 15. Question number 10. Where will they put their paper fruits? A. In their school. B. In their store. C. In the house. Thank you, everyone. We will see next time.